Dear students, welcome to everybody in Sri Ahir Ziti's online study. Standard 8 Mathematics. Second chapter of Mathematics is Parallel Lines and Transversal. In the given figure 1 is tracks of a railway line. Figure 2 is lines of notebook. And figure 3 is white markings on the road. If we clear-cut observe this figure and make our conclusion according to mathematical concept, our conclusion is for first figure. In figure 1, the lines are not intersect. Our conclusion for second figure is, in figure 2, the lines are intersect in point R. And conclusion for figure 3 is, in figure 3, the lines are intersect when they are increased in point R. Now we are going to study about parallel lines. In figure, line L and line M's are given in the same plane, and we see that given lines are not intersect to each other. According to this information, let us see the definition of parallel lines. The lines in the same plane and do not intersect to each other are called parallel lines. In figure, line L and line M are parallel lines, and it is written in short as line L parallel line M. Dear student, let us study about transversal. In the given figure, line M and line N are given, and line L intersect that lines in point A and in point B in same plane. According to this information, definition of transversal is as, if a line intersect given two lines in two distinct points, then that line is called a transversal of those two lines. In figure, line L is the transversal of given two lines M and N. Thank you.